Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's Tutorial Tuesday, so that means we've got another free balloon animal video just for you guys, and I am super excited about what I'm about to show you. Oh my god, it's so cute, like my brain exploded. So this balloon this week is super fast and simple and quick. Y'all know I like to keep Tutorial Tuesday on the friendly side for the beginners and everybody. I just want to show you before we make it, but I don't want to spoil it, so I'm not going to. We are going to make a gingerbread man. It's a line work gingerbread man. It takes one balloon. I recommend just a little scrap of another balloon for a finishing touch, but it is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Okay, so I'm just gonna get into it and show you. You're gonna need a mocha brown 260. This is blown up with about a 2 to 3 inch tail. And then this is the scrap I was talking about. You just need a little red, green, whatever color you want to use, 160. And you're only going to use like this much of it. So you don't need a full balloon if you've got a scrap bin laying around somewhere that you need to use up. All right, so gingerbread man or woman, it can be a gingerbread girl. So cute. I'm going to show you both. You're going to start off with a pinch twist. A loop. So you're going to fold your balloon over. You're going to grab the knot, not just the end of the nozzle, but like up here at the knot. Grab that knot and twist it into your twist. And then thread that thing through that loop. Okay, so it's locked into place. Locked and loaded. All right, now we're gonna do the body. That's the head. We're gonna do the body of the gingerbread man or girl, and it's just gonna be us coming down about 3 to 4 inches and twisting, and we're gonna go back up into the head. So super fast. Oh my gosh, you can make a million of these. Okay, and then we're gonna do the arms and legs. Okay, so that's the body. Arms and legs are next, and it's just gonna be 4 bubbles. 1, and I try to do them about 2 inches. Okay, so 1, 2, and then 3. Try to make them all as close to the same size as you can. Okay, so we've got 4 bubbles here. Gonna twist those together. I'm just gonna twist them around the head one time to really keep it all nice and snug. Okay. Now, at this point, you're going to bring those 4 bubbles down over the body. That's it, pretty much. Now, at this point, you have to decide if you're making a gingerbread man or a gingerbread girl. Okay, so if you're doing the boy, you're just going to want to take this balloon here and add the smallest little pinch twist right here, okay? Because you're going to put a bow tie on the front. It's going to push his head back, and the pinch twist here in the back of the head will keep his head up nice and straight. If you're doing a girl, you don't need this pinch twist here, and so you can get rid of it. What I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just going to tie that off, and I'm just going to tuck it down in the body to hide it. And this nozzle that's sticking out up here, you can also tuck that down into the body to hide it. And it also kind of helps to straighten up the head when you pull that nozzle and secure it someplace nice and tight. Now this is pretty firm and not off to the one side or anything like that, so you can fix that. Okay, so this is a gingerbread man. I know it doesn't look like it, but most gingerbread men, you got to draw artwork on them before they really look like what they're supposed to. It's a blank canvas. But I want to put the bow on first, because if you do the artwork and then the bow, you have to wait until the white dries. Unless somebody out there has invented a white paint pen that dries instantly, and I will give you like $1 billion when I get that much. Just be like, anyway. So, little red bow. Just gonna fold your red 160 over, and same thing like with the gingerbread head. Just gonna grab the knot and then push that thing through the loop to secure it, so it's not gonna come undone if we let go. And then same thing right beside it. do another loop. Okay, so we got 2 little loops, and we're just gonna do the smallest little pinch twist in the middle. So just a little tiny bubble, and pinch twist that. There we go. I'm curious, you guys, my viewers, if y'all actually know what, I know a lot of you that do, but is there anyone watching who doesn't know what a pinch twist is? Will you just leave a comment down below the video? No shame, no judgment. I'm trying to get a feel for the audience. So if you're brand new to balloons and you don't know what a pinch twist is, let me know. And then I'll know if I need to do like a little video series on like basic balloon twists and techniques. And that way when I do a video and I'm like, do a pinch twist, and I don't explain exactly what a pinch twist is, I can just direct people to that video series. Is that a good idea? Yay or nay? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay, so once you have your little bow, you're gonna come out and give yourself a nice long tail. So cut your balloon off with a long tail to play with. And this is gonna go on top of the gingerbread girl's head, of course. And the way we do that is we're just gonna thread that tail through the loop that is the head. Okay, so I've pulled this nice and tight. I'm gonna pull the bow back nice and tight on top of the head. Just hold it there with my fingers. I'm pulling this other end here up and over. Just gonna wrap it in and around the bubbles on top of the head. And then once you've got it on, take a look at what you've done. I always try to do things facing the camera and then I don't know how they're actually turning out. Okay, perfect. So that is her little bow. Isn't that so cute? So worth the extra 20 seconds or whatever it takes you. Okay, now the artwork, and it's really not that hard. Artwork, I use 3 colors. So you're gonna start with a red. And by the way, shout out to my girl Allison, who is a part of my members only team. And she sent me a random package of my favorite Sharpie brush tip pens the other day, just randomly in the mail, wasn't expecting it. This is one of those. Thank you so much, Allison. Gosh, I don't know, like my life would be so lacking without you guys. Okay, so whenever I do this on film, I can't seem to draw right, but you're gonna do 2 red little blush spots and try to make them even. Like I don't know, I can't draw straight when I'm on video, but I'll show you a picture of the ones I did when I was not on video. Okay, and then the other red parts, you could do like red for the buttons. So let me just show you. Ooh, my cap's falling off. Let me just show you. We'll just do some red buttons for the girl. When I was practicing this, I did the buttons in white, and that's cute too. And so I'll show you guys what that looks like. So really easy. You're just drawing circles. Everybody can do that, right? Okay, let's draw some more circles. With your black, get a black Sharpie now, and we're gonna do the eyes. I'm gonna try to do this so you guys can see. I'm gonna draw the eyes. It's just a big black circle, but it's drawn like on top of that part of the blush. Cheek, whatever you call it, rouge. Okay, so there's got 2 eyes. And then I'm just gonna fill those completely in with black because I'll be using my white paint pen to do the highlights. Okay, now if I was not talking and paying more attention to what I was doing, I would have probably placed everything a little bit farther apart, but it's okay. It's gonna look just fine. Now since this is a girl, I'm gonna do just 2 little eyelashes right off on the side. It's kind of what I've been thinking is cute lately. My drawing style for faces changes all the time, so that's what it is tonight. And then don't forget the eyebrows. All right, so it's cute kind of, but it's not really like, oh, I need that, right? Okay, just wait. get yourself a white paint pen. I've been using the Posca paint pens for a while now, and I do like them a lot. So when you do paint pens, you want to start, I'm right-handed, and so when I'm drawing something with a paint pen, I draw from the left to the right. That way I don't have to draw something over here and then come over here and then smudge it with my hand. Okay. So I'm going to start with the hair. So we go from the top down, from the left to the right. So your squiggly lines could probably be better than mine. And then I'm going to do white circles in the eye. Just pick a corner for them to go off to. Mine are both going to be off to the right, the upper right part of the eye. And then I like to do two little tiny, just touch my marker to the right to the side of those. Okay? And then we just do the little gingerbread lady features. So more squiggles here on the bottom of the arm, the bottom of the leg, and same thing going up the other side. I'm going to do from the top down, left to right. Okay, oh, we forgot her mouth, actually, and her nose. So now I'm just going to go upside down so I don't mess up. All right, there's her nose. You guys see how cute this is? And then I do a squiggly line mouth. Let's see if I can do it upside down. Isn't she so cute? And I think, I'm not sure if I prefer white buttons or red buttons. What do you guys think? Let me know. So that is the artwork that I like to do on these. And I know some of you are super talented with drawing the cute little faces, so you could show me up on this. Let me see it in Facebook this week. Post some pictures. Okay, so that is it. Isn't that pretty fast? I mean, the white paint pen takes a little bit of time, but it's just squiggles and dots. None of this takes a crazy amount of talent or drawing ability. So if you can draw circles and squiggly lines, you can draw a cute gingerbread lady. Okay, now let me show you the gingerbread man. Oh, you guys. Okay, so finished product here. Ah, isn't he so cute? Okay, so I just did a 6-petal flower, alternating colors for the base, and this could be on a headband, it could be on a bracelet, it could just sit on the table and look really cute. You can see I gave him, instead of a bow, he has a bow tie. And so I put the little pinch twist in the back, and I'm totally being lazy and did not cut off this tail, but you should definitely hide your tails. Well, she has one too. They match. Isn't this so cute? You guys, you want to see what it looks like? Can you imagine a bunch of your customers walking around your events like this? How much attention would they get? They would be so in love with you. Everybody would want one. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so you can also make it a peppermint gingerbread wand. Princess wand, hello. So it's just the same thing, 6-petal flower, but I just spiraled the rest of the balloon instead of cutting it off to make a headband. So you guys, this is so easy. I can't even believe it. Okay, so that's it. I've got gingerbread men and women everywhere in this room right now. You can do a couple on people's heads, like gingerbread antlers. Oh, I just love balloons. This is why, because I just think that everything that I make out of balloons is just super cute. Like everything made with balloons is cute. Well, okay, maybe not everything, but I'm just in love with these little guys. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. And you guys, I have, here, she's gonna be my co-host here. She's gonna help me finish this video. Okay, so I can't say anything yet, but I'm working on some really super exciting stuff for you, my YouTube fans. Well, my fans in general, but especially the ones that watch me on YouTube. super, super exciting stuff that I'm working on for you guys. I'm going to be pumping out content like crazy in 2019, so I hope that you guys are ready for it. We're going to be doing balloon videos, of course, like I always have, but I'm also going to start to be talking about other things, because I figure if you guys like me and my videos, maybe you wouldn't mind hearing about some of the other things that I'm interested in, so be on the lookout for that. I've got a few main topics that I'm going to stick to, and definitely will always be doing the balloons because they're just so cute and I can't get enough of them. So I can't announce the big plans that I've got, but they're in the works. I'm working on them hard right now so that we could just like start 2019 with a bang. You guys are going to be blown away, and I hope you're going to be really helped and you're going to benefit from the things that I'm planning to do. So I'm getting rid of all other distractions, all other things that have been pulling me in a million different directions, and we're focusing on video creation, like non-stop content, okay? So I hope you guys are ready for that. Be on the lookout, tell your friends. Now's the time to subscribe because we're gonna start off running, okay? Other thing you might have noticed, we've got some balloon animal clothing. This is a tunic, which is like nice and long to cover the goods. So you can get these at thetwistersister.com, which will link you to the store where you can actually purchase them. There's all different designs, and the tunic is actually my favorite, and I am wearing an XL just to kind of give you an idea of size, and I'm not a skinny mini right now. Still have like 50 pounds of baby weight to lose. Working on it. But just to give you guys an idea, the sizes do run just a tad bit small. So always size up if you're not sure. But that is it. No contest this week again because I am leaving for Disney on Sunday, and I'm going to be in Disney all week next week, and I'm not sure if there's going to be a tutorial Tuesday posted or not yet. If I'm like super rock star this week, I will get one recorded for you guys and it'll automatically go up on Tuesday. And I've got a ton of stuff to show you, so I am probably going to put up a tutorial Tuesday next week. I hate to like promise things, but I'm definitely going to try very hard to make that happen for you guys so we don't miss a week. And it's going to be another cute little line work Christmas balloon that you guys can use right away for your events this year. Okay, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think in the comments, and you can still post pictures on Facebook and tag me even though there's not a contest this week, but I love to see y'all's work. So definitely if you do this, I want to see it. Let me know by just tagging #TwisterSister, and I'll go check it out and high five you over the internet. Okay, thank you guys again for being supporters and fans and watching. You guys are the reason why I do this every week and show up, and I just love interacting with you guys online and in person at the upcoming conventions. January, there's a whole bunch of conventions going on. I will be at Capital Kidvention and also Florida Super Jam for like one day, depending on my husband's schedule. It's military, so you can't count on it. But I do hope to be able to make an appearance at least at Florida Super Jam, and I will be teaching one class there. So Florida Super Jam and Capital Kid are where you can catch me in 2019. Other than that, I'm going to be pumping out videos for you guys. You're going to see so much of me next year. It'll be like you're my best friends. Okay, so look forward to that. I will see you guys next Tuesday, sort of. I'll be at Disney, but you'll see me. Okay. Bye, guys.